Hi, it's Laura Pitkute. Today's video is a strategy that will allow you to write off your grandchildren, your nieces and nephews on your taxes. This is actually a part 2 video to a first video that I had made titled How to Write Off Your Own Kids on Your Taxes. And if you haven't seen it, I will leave a link for it in the description, and I highly suggest you go back and watch my first video so that you have a good understanding, a little bit on a background on the strategy. And in this video, I will just jump right over to the strategy. So without further ado, let's jump over to the whiteboard. Alright, so just like in our first video, we had our business entities. So we were either operating as a sole proprietorship, as an LLC, or as an S-Corp. And based on which entity you had set up, there was a different strategy of paying your kids and how to structure it. But with paying kids that aren't yours 100%, there may come up some issues because then you have workers' comp and FICA involved, and the only person that can avoid having to deal with FICA and workers' comp is the actual child's parent. Therefore, when you hire the children within your family, you're actually going to be paying the parent. So with all of these business entities, whichever one you have, you just 1099 the parent. So parent, and then the parent of the child, your niece, nephew, or grandchild, is just going to pay directly to the child's bank account. So if you're paying, let's say you're paying $6,000 to your grandchild, so therefore the parent receives a 1099 for $6,000, and then they're going to transfer that $6,000 to the bank account. So now you may be wondering, well, I don't want my brother, sister, daughter, or son having to pay taxes on the fact that I'm paying my niece the $6,000 for the work. No problem. Your son, daughter, or brother, sister is going to file a Schedule C come tax time. She's gonna write off the $6,000 as business expenses. Therefore, she pays zero taxes. And because your niece, nephew, or grandchild made only $6,000, they are not required to file taxes. Therefore, no one is going to have to pay taxes. So this is how the strategy works when you're paying other kids that are not your own children. So essentially, this is the strategy. If you found it helpful, please be sure to leave it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channels for more videos about business and real estate investing, and I will see you in the next video.